These are questions for AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, you are developing a natural language processing solution in Azure. The solution will analyze customer reviews and determine how positive or negative each review is. This is an example of which type of natural language processing workload. Option A, language detection. Option B, sentiment analysis. Option C, key phrase extraction. Option D, entity recognition. The correct answer is option B. Our next question. You are developing a solution that uses text analytics service. You need to identify the main talking points in the collection of documents. Which type of natural language processing should you use? Option A, entity recognition. Option B, key phrase extraction. Option C, sentiment analysis. Option D, language detection. The correct answer is option B. Our next question. In which two scenarios can you use speech recognition? Option A, an in-car system that reads text messages aloud. Option B, providing closed captions for recorded or live videos. Option C, creating an automated public address system for a train station. Option D, creating a transcript of a telephone call or meeting. The correct options are B and D. Our next one. You need to build an app that will read recipe instructions aloud to support users to have reduced vision. Which version service should you use? Option A, test analytics. Option B, translator text. Option C, speech. Option D, language understanding. The correct answer is option C, that is speech. And next one. You plan to develop a bot that will enable users to query a knowledge base by using natural language processing. Which two services should you include in the solution? Option A, Q&A maker. Option B, Azure bot service. Option C, form recognizer. Option D, anomaly detector. The correct answer are option A and B. Our next question. In which two scenarios can you use a speech synthesis solution? Option A, an automated voice that reads back a credit card number entered into a telephone by using the numeric keypad. Option B, generating live captions for a new broadcast. Option C, extracting key phrases from the audio recording of a meeting. Option D, an AI character in a computer game that speaks audibly to a player. The correct answer are option A and D. Our next question. In which scenario should you use key phrase extraction? Option A, translating a set of documents from English to German. Option B, generating captions for a video based on audio track. Option C, identifying whether reviews of a restaurant are positive or negative. Option D, identifying which documents provide information about the same topics. The correct answer is option D. Our next one. You have insurance claim reports that are stored as text. You need to extract key terms from the reports to generate summaries. Which type of AI workload should you use? Option A, conversational AI. Option B, anomaly detection. Option C, natural language processing. Option D, computer vision. The correct answer is option C.